All right, so the winds are blowing really hard. Woo, yes. Like a tornado. It's not even an EF1. We're close to an EF1. But an EF1 is not that bad. The EF5 is really bad. That's like a freaking tornado. An EF5. You're in danger if it comes to be an EF5. But this is an EF1. And the EF1 is, it'd be tossing trees and stuff like that around. But that's the only damage that an EF1 would do as far as that kind of tornado is concerned. The rain has started, but it's not that hard yet. It's just light sprinkles. The wind is extremely strong. It's so powerful that it can suck me up into the air if it was an EF5. But it's only an EF1. It's extremely powerful. This is how powerful God's wind is, and even more powerful than that. A EF7 is extremely dangerous and can cause extreme damage to everything that has ever been made. Now San Diego haven't even seen weather like this and I don't know how long. The wind is getting even more powerful. An EF2 almost. And the wind and the rain and the lightning and the thunder and the hailing, all of the above is on its way. Woo! Yes. I just saw lightning too. So it looks like we're getting some lightning. I better get back in. That lightning can be dangerous. Yep. I'm definitely not going to get struck. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. So yeah, it's still, the wind is still blowing extremely hard, as you can see. And the rain is drizzling right now. Oh yeah, this wind is no joke. But the EF7, man, you're talking about a real serious tornado. No joke. All right, I tell you what, if it really get raining, if the rain gets if it really starts to get going, then I'll be back and film the rain with the heavy duty EF1 or 2 winds, close to a tornado, and the whole 9 yards. Wow, wind ain't no joke. Lightning, thunder, wow, no joke. I'm telling you, I can't wait. I kind of wet. I'm gonna end this now, y'all, because it's getting dangerous now.